Well, hello, this is Justin and John here for Developer Day number 8. Today we're going to talk about how we manage our data with 3 different databases. So you'll see here on the screen a diagram, just a very simple diagram of our setup. We have Couchbase, which is our main database that holds all of our data. And then we replicate pieces of that to Elasticsearch to index for quick searching, for example, Power Place API. And then Neo4j we throw our spatial data into so we can do spatial queries. And John is going to explain how we use a protocol called XDCR to replicate that data automatically such that we just throw data to Couchbase and everything else propagates.
Yeah. So just looking here, a quick overview of our Couchbase cluster. You'll notice we have 3 replications set up. So what this means is we're taking data from this database within Couchbase, our collections database, and sending it to this database over in Neo4j. Likewise, the places is going to Elasticsearch as well as the repos. So nothing's better than a straight up demonstration, so we'll show you how this replication works. We're just going to go ahead and delete all of our replications. And then over on Elasticsearch, we're going to go ahead and just delete our indexes.
Thankfully it asks for confirmation. Yes, we really do want to blow away our data.
Okay. And our Neo4j, we don't actually have to blow that away. We're not going to take the time to do that.
It's a little bit more difficult.
It's a little bit more difficult. It's not as easy. It doesn't have a nice UI. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and create the places index. And the repos index. And then it's as simple as coming here and saying create a replication. So we're going to go ahead and replicate places to Elasticsearch in places. And then you say replicate. And it says starting up here. And then it switches to replicating. So behind the scenes it's done all the communicating between our 2 clusters. And then here we'll go ahead and set the refresh. And you'll notice we've indexed about 11,000. And then hopefully the next one will kick in. There, another 5,000. So it looks like it's about 1,000 a second, probably a little bit higher than that. So we can go here and say create another replication. We need to do our repositories, to Elasticsearch, repos, replicate. Now these 2 are using a provided plugin. Couchbase actually wrote their plugin from Couchbase to Elasticsearch. Now, we took that and wrote our own plugin. You can see Neo4j to Couchbase 0.1. So we wrote our own custom plugin based on that specification to do the replication.
John wrote the plugin. I did nothing.
Yeah. So we'll go ahead and set that one up. We'll create replication from collections, which contains all of our spatial data, to Neo4j collections. We'll go ahead and replicate. And then we will notice, oh, there it goes. We added a nice little print line so you can actually see what's happening. Oh, there's some.
That was your dummy document again.
Oh.
You had to delete that one. That was test data.
Yeah, a little bit of test data. But all of this is
real.
Yeah, except for that
there
one.
it is again. It's the same one.
Yep. So this will just continue replicating all of the data we have about collections to all 3 of the places. We come back, we have almost 100,000 places indexed so far. So pretty much this means that we don't have to worry about managing the indexes, managing data, moving from one place to another. We don't have to kick anything off. We just need to connect it together and update our one central Couchbase database, and it will automatically percolate, and data that's automatically percolated will automatically show up in our APIs.
Yeah, something else that's really neat about this is from the point of view of the system, it's sort of like one database, just Couchbase, but we get the power of 3 different databases. We get Couchbase, which is excellent for Neo4j and some of the clustering we can do for lots of storage and RAM. And we get Elasticsearch for indexing and Neo4j for spatial. But we're just managing one.
Yeah.
Which is beautiful. So we wanted to kind of show that off because we're really proud that we could go in there and kind of blow away some of the data and just set it up and it all works again.
Okay.
Well, that's that's it for Developer Day number 8. This is Justin and John. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, see you next week.